Row 18, plot 20.
Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark. I'm Jim. Today I'm doing another NECA toy capsule collection unboxing. This one is Marvel Bad Guys edition. If you can see there's a nice Hydra logo on the front. I'm very curious about this one. I wouldn't normally have picked up a superhero toy capsule collection. There were other ones as well, like just basic Spider-Man and I think something else, but because it was tagged as a bad guys, I do tend to root for the villains. They're most often most often misunderstood, and they have the best intentions. So this has 9 capsules. We're going to do a thing. Alrighty. And the first capsule looks like these are red and black. Oh, this feels like it's a magnet. Take it out. It is a very nice comic accurate Thanos from all the different Infinity movies and comics. But that's cool. Alright, let's see what's the next capsule. Is the sticker, which is just the stickers do not hold up. They're very thin and paper, and this one is got a little bend in it that's not gonna come out. It's a nice Venom sticker. Alright, the third ball. This one's heavy. It must be the eraser. Okay, so this one's just meh. I don't know why this would be considered a bad guy, but it's the Infinity Gauntlet, which was used for good and bad, so I'm not sure why it's in with the villains, because it's an object, so it can't be a villain. It can be used for villainous things, but Tony Stark had a gauntlet that was used for apparently good. Alright, this is the bag tag. Let's see if I can find the little opening thing. Some of these have like the little pull opening. Oh, I see it now that I just did that. Let's see what this is. I don't recognize it at first look. Oh, Doc Ock. Nice cartoony Dr. Octopus. Otto Octavius. We'll consider him a villain. Oh, this one's open. What do we got in here? Huh. So, I guess we were lacking on the properties that NECA was allowed to use for these, because this is a cool little keychain, but I mean, it's Venom again. We're gonna get a focus. Can we get a focus, please? Well, it's Venom. So we've got 2. I'm going to consider the Infinity Gauntlet a duplicate with Thanos, and there's clearly 2 Venom. Alright, oh, that's cool. Nice green wristband for Loki. That makes sense. Oh, and there's some Asgardian symbols on the back. Asgardian. We got another opened capsule. Oh, we got 2 opened capsules. What the? Oh, this is the sweetest pin. This pin might have just made the whole $10 worth it. Look at that. That is crazy cool. Nice metal pin. Only one little stabby thing. I like this a lot. Wow, that is cool. That's one of the better pins a long time. So, okay, there's two more. One is open. This is the patch, also a very cool patch. Hydra. This patch could have went with a green circle around it as well. Very cool. Probably my second favorite item. And this is the last of 9 NECA Bad Guy Edition toy capsules. It's a heavy, oh, it's a medallion. This is a first for me. How can I get this open? Here we go. I like this. Ultron. And it's metal for sure. That's cool. That's got to be worth something. Like a quarter. So that's going to do it for the Marvel Bad Guy Edition toy collectibles, and from NECA. These were at Walmart, and you can go to Walmart and probably buy them for $9.96. So a couple duplicates. Wasn't really crazy. I really love that Red Skull pin and the Hydra patch. I'm a fan of Hydra. So the Loki wristband is a little meh. The Ultron token is kind of cool though as well. Not sure what I'll do with these. Probably stash them in a giveaway box or something. The Red Skull pin will definitely either go on my jacket or my backpack, book bag, gym bag, whatever. But let me know what you thought of this collection and what was your favorite item, and leave a comment down below. Hit like and subscribe.
So have your dream. Go on and sing your song. There's nothing wrong